Yabonakala niyothela la two plate le
Sipheka khona.
two nazi indawo zokupheka la uyothela la uhlala la uyothela ne sometimes uyiyeke lento ivutha the whole night.
I'm Randers. I'm standing. I'm running for standard. Ne? I'm running.
How much?
Eh?
How much?
I'm running. Ask him.
Ngathi ngikhuluma nani? Ngikhuluma nani mele uphendule. Sikhuluma into ezwakala respect. Lento leni yenze la. Lento leni yenze la. Le ngokutshontsha. Akusinto yokuthi mele sixoxisane. Bona ukuthi ukana le light. Utsana ukana le light. Isina motakaso wapha.
Selai Jemiston, early in the morning, we are here to enforce the bylaws, to actually check that everybody is compliant. As you can see, almost the entire street, all the properties, they are somehow, the ownership is not clarified. There's a guy called Mohammed who collects rent. As you can see, I mean, it appears the owners here, they've abandoned these properties. This is how hijacking, of areas actually happens. They move in, then they erect illegal structures. As you can see, kuna room everywhere, backyard rooms. Inside, they've subdivided. So there is actually a number of families. I mean, not even families, rental units that are here. They collect rent. They don't stay here. But the people who stay here, they don't pay for electricity, they don't pay for water. They pay a standard price, a standard fee to the landlord, so-called landlord, 2.5, and that money does not get to the municipality. And these are some of the things that we're battling with, but huge operation. We've got South African police services, we've got our migration, we've got our own EMPD, and various departments, well coordinated. We'll be here the whole day. We did say it that we must keep the city clean, we must enforce bylaw. But they have bad people my shop. Okay. Because that's not a choice. We can't allow you to sit like this. So many people, there's no proper connection. If anything can happen, life will take responsibility. Bazatu government you can't create a hostile. You change a indlu, nienze hostile. So that's one thing. Notice, owner and this notice. Right? As no choice because unless in Yegan so. Yabonakala niyothela la two plate le
Sipheka khona.
nazi indawo zokupheka la uyothela la uhlala la uyothela ne sometimes uyiyeke lento ivutha the whole night and then mangabamba something kasha la then there's a problem. Yabona mama
Ngicela umlungu wethu.
Umlungu wethu uzabo last weekend. Umanzendo uza kakhulu uza umanzendo.
mazokoleka
Kwa Albert.
Wala emzani sorry. Okay.
Shudu
Tilukulu.
ikula
Somalia.
Mohammed
Oh.
Simfonele sizothatha umama lo ekhetheka uzosikhombisa uMamed uthi uhlala kuphi. Yabo? Okay. We're continuing with our operation. We're still here in Jemiston, Knox Street. As you can see, it is one of the illegal hijacked buildings. Our land invasion guys, our EMPD, subs is here. We are now forced to actually demolish. You can actually see all the illegal connections here. Illegal wiring. Say them. partition here. We've subdivided this space. But just check, I mean, there's a few stories going up, I think about 7 stories. It's subdivided. Someone is collecting the rent, monthly. They are consuming electricity, they are consuming water, but they are not paying anything to the city. But most importantly, it's not safe to stay in this building. Just imagine if one of the households there, they catch fire. It means, this entire area will burn. Look at Umama now. Now Umama began to gone. These are some of the things that we can't allow. We must act against. Yes, without, our people don't have to understand. We must enforce bylaws. We must, this is a war that we're going to win.
And then from there, Mutakasana routes here today. We're taking electricity, water, everything.
Why not she will in front of you? What do you
Christmas tree. Hollywood. We need to see.
So what's in the room? Dear boy.
Energy.
I don't think I said this.
President Street. The building is hijacked. People have taken it over. We have switched off the electricity, we have switched off the water. We are warning everyone who is taking our buildings and making them their own houses and renting them out. We are coming for you. You must stop it because you are committing a serious crime. We are going to demolish this building. Thank you very much.
Very much MMC Dora Mlambo ngivela e-shop ngibuya o-check-a ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okokuqala nje i-shop it's illegal, akunamaphepha, akunapemithi, and then kuthiwa bebavale ngama-boards mara bakhile ngeyitina futhi again, so there's nothing in the shop. So basafuna iphepha sithi manje baya kamasipala, but ama-South Africans abantu abathengisayo laphana, so let them go to municipality and apply for the right papers to sell. Abanawo no gas okugcina, so we are encouraging them ukuthi mabahambe bayofuna amaphepha right kamasipala. Ngiyabonga.
Lasa ngikhuluma nani, mangikhuluma nani mele ngiphendule, sikhuluma into ezwakalayo siqede. Lento leni yenze la. Le ukutshontsha akusinto yokuthi mele sixoxisane ngobani ohambile labanye abangena mali kuthuba mina. Ngiyabhalelwa. People write to me that I'm useless and you are not buying. Anuthengi labantu bafakele bonke bacharge malini balikhokha malini.
I'm Randers. I'm standing, I'm running for standard. I'm running.
How much? How much?
I'm running, ask him there. You know, madam.
12.
Extension iphuma kulabantwana abalokhu.
Ngiyabona lana ekhaya ngiconnecte imizi eminingi. Yabona yachonke. Uzolimala izandla zimanzi, that's why. Sula izandla zakho. Manje ngiyabona umbane anuthengi. So ngithi ngicela nilungise mama la lento errong. Ne mama? Esinye isikhathi umuntu bela athi no ngizwile ngiyavuma sizoya kwamasipala solungisa lento errong esiyenzile.